Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Yes. What we learned yesterday about EVS? Can you tell me? Yes, sense organs. So today we will learn about keeping clean. Keeping clean means swachhate. Circle the things that you use to keep yourself clean. Circle the things that you use to keep yourself clean. First one, hat is there. Hat is not a cleaning property. Okay. So second one is mirror. Third one is cloth. Fourth one is nail cutter. Fifth one is cheese. Sixth one is comb. Seventh one is soap. And eighth is toothbrush. Ninth one toothpaste. 10th ice cream. 11th shampoo. Okay, so many things are there. So you have to put the circle for your using cleaning property. Okay, this type. Okay, see, first one is hat. Hat is not a cleaning property. Okay, so you can skip. Second one is mirror. After completion of cleaning process, you must use mirror. Yes or no? Yes. After completion, you have to standing in front of the mirror. Okay. So you have to put the circle for the mirror image. Third one is cloth. Wearing clean clothes every day. Okay, this is also cleaning property. So you have to circle the thing, the cloth. Okay. Fourth one is nail cutter. Nail cutter. Okay, you can use cutting or nails. Okay, so this is also cleaning property. That's why you have to circle the image. Fifth one, cheese. Cheese is not a cleaning property. So you can skip the thing. Then next one, comb. Comb is very helpful to combing our hairs. Right? So you have to put the circle. The image is comb. Next thing is soap. Soap is very helpful to cleaning our body. Okay. You can use. Okay. So you have to put the circle. The thing is soap. The next one is toothbrush. Toothbrush. Brushing our teeth every day. So this is also cleaning property. So you have to put the circle. The image is toothbrush. The next one, toothpaste. Toothpaste is also very helpful to our cleaning teeth. Right? You have to put the circle on image toothpaste. Then ice cream is there. Ice cream is also not a cleaning property. So you have to skip it. And the last one is shampoo. Shampoo is also very helpful to our cleaning hairs. So you have to put the circle for the image shampoo. Okay, this step you have to do this activity. The next topic is my house. The next topic is my house. See, a house has many rooms. First one living room, second one bedroom, third one kitchen, and fourth one bathroom. Okay. See, benefit of the living room. We receive you receive guests in the living room, right? Yes. Most of time you will spend in this room, that is living room. Okay. Bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom, right? Then kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen, right? Then fourth one is bathroom. We clean ourselves in the bathroom, right? Living room is common area of all family members. The bedroom is private. Okay. Then kitchen is also common area of all family members, and the bathroom is also common area of all family members. Okay. The activities is there. Match the things with the correct rooms. Match the things with the correct rooms. This is a bed. Sorry, cot. Okay. Cot is in our bedroom. Okay. So you have to join the two dots. Sofa is in our living area, right? So you have to join the two dots. The sink is here. Third one, sink is in our bathroom. So you have to join the two dots. Then fourth one, mixer is there. Mixer is in our kitchen, right? You have to join the two dots. Okay. I will repeat once again. First one, cot is in bedroom. Second one, sofa is in living area. Third one, sink is in bathroom. Fourth one, mixer is in kitchen. This time you have to do this activity. This is your homework, children. Okay. This one page, and keep cleaning. 2 pages are there, right? Keep cleaning. Number 1 page, and number 2 is match the things with the correct rooms. 2 pages. Okay. You have to do the homework and send them to the personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Don't send the group. You can send personal number. Okay. Thank you.